The weBoost 4G slim low-profile antenna compact design makes it simpler to install, while giving you improved performance over previous models. When connected to any weBoost multi-user cellular booster, this antenna provides enhanced reception of calls, texts and data to the booster, providing superior performance when connected in your car, truck or SUV. Installation is simple. Place the antenna vertically or horizontally and you'll still get optimal performance. This antenna will work with any weBoost multi-user vehicle boosters, including the Drive 4GX, Drive 4GX OTR, Drive 4GM, Drive 3GX and Drive 3GM. What's in the box? 4G in-vehicle server antenna. Velcro adhesive strip. Adhesive strip. Alcohol wipe. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I bought one of these to try. Wow. It is a much better indoor antenna than the other one that came with my weBoost Drive 4X, the one that stands on end. Noticeable difference in performance. Have ordered another.